Has it been fun?
Yeah.
Have you learnt anything today?
Yeah, I've learned a lot. I've learned that lots of bugs, like different sort of habitats. Yeah, different habitats. Couldn't find the word.
What did you learn?
That you can find animals from all over the place. So.
Oh, okay, so where did you find yours?
I found one half in the mud and one like that, then one lying on the surface.
And what were they?
It was a millipede and a snail.
Fantastic.
And I learned that, I didn't really know this before, but if you bang on the ground, like with your feet, if you stomp, sometimes, it doesn't always work, but worms might come up, and then you can find them easily.
Handy to know, isn't it? So you've had a good day, even though it's been raining?
Yeah.
So, does anyone want to hold him?
I do.
You want to hold him? Right, hold your hands flat and don't pinch him. Well done.
Lots of grasshoppers outside my
There we
house
go.
because of
Excellent, well done. So, what do you reckon he would like to live in? Do you reckon he likes nice wet places, or he likes nice dry leaves and things like that?
I think he likes dry leaves.
That's exactly right, well done.
Dry leaves and a little bit of grass or leaves.
Yep, that's perfect.
Here. You can put him in here.
Do you reckon he'll like it in there?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Look, I can see his real pattern. Can I?
Do you want to bring him round here and put him in his new home? Excellent.
Should we all do it?
Yeah, all do it together. Well done. Excellent. I'm going to find a nice little dry place for him.
Somewhere near him. There.
Excellent, good job guys.
This is a shield beetle, and I found it over on the apparatus. It is originally named stink bug because of its stink for predators, but humans cannot smell it.
Wow, that's amazing.
It clings on to branches in the crevices and eats leaves and other insects. It's an insect because it has 6 legs and has a triangular pattern on its back.
Oh, careful. What's its name?
It's a harvestman spider.
How do you know that?
Well, my dad's friend, he knows loads about spiders, so
Yeah.
I kind of. Why do we pick the worm? Like when he goes out searching, I go and look with him, like under rocks and stuff. And
What do you normally find?
Cineflows, giganticus, wolf spiders.
Yeah, he goes searching for
spiders?
spiders.
Yeah. Like
What does the wolf spider look like?
they've got quite delicate legs as well, and
I found it.
not a really big back, but
So did you find this one?
Yeah.
no, the
Where did
lady
you-
did.
Oh,
Why did? But she looked at it,
okay.
and then she.
So let's put that one into the habitat.
What was everybody's favourite insect that they found today?
Maybe that's a spider.
Big spider Mickey found.
Yeah, I say probably that black wasp.
The what?
Parasitic wasp.
Yeah, that was my favourite as well.
the parasitic wasp?
Just under that thing.
Can you show me whereabouts in the bug story those parasitic wasps like to live? What habitats you've made for them?
In the wood.
Point it out for me. That's brilliant, well done.
It's kind of all schools should have it because it will learn about their mini bees for like reception for their science, because they could know about mini bees.
Excellent. So you've been busy digging around.
Yeah.
Let's see your hands. And what did you find?
I found this a baby bee woodlouse and loads of spiders and worms.
Great.
And this weird white one, and it jumps.
A leafhopper.
Yeah, a leafhopper.
Cool.
Going to keep finding bugs.
Yeah, afterwards I would keep finding bugs, so they would keep getting more, and then they could keep looking at more bugs.
And you can bring them and put them into their new home.
Ollie, what you
Well done. So have you had a good day today?
Yeah,
Are you going to keep an eye on it? Make
Yeah.
sure it's all okay?
yeah.
We love bug stories.